What's up, my good people? It's the DMV Computer Man. In today's video, we're talking about shortcuts, tips, and tricks on the Fire Stick for 2020. Alright, so a lot of times when you're on your home screen of your Fire Stick, you only get to see your recent apps, or if you go down to your apps and channels line, you only see a few different things. You don't get to see every app that's installed on the Fire Stick. And some people get lost and they're like, man, the app got deleted, or I can't find it no more. And you're searching and you're searching, you can't find certain apps. So this tip and trick is to show you how to pull up the full menu. Now you can easily go to see all, but some people just don't be thinking. So here's a second alternative route. You got a home button on your remote, and if you hold that down for about 2 or 3 seconds, I'm on a Fire TV. So the menu is kind of small and it pulls up here, but on a Fire Stick, it will cover this whole screen right here. And when you do it, you can press it twice or you can hold it. You go to apps, let it load up, and you get a whole menu full of apps. So now that you see, you got a full list of apps. You can see everything that you ever had installed or could possibly install, or it was in a registry of recommended apps. They have those there as well. Something that you might have downloaded that most people downloaded this app, also downloaded this app. They will throw those apps in the mix as well. Try to give you a little hint to download something else. So that is one shortcut. Next shortcut I'm gonna show you is how to get your apps on the home screen so that you don't have to go through this whole list of finding apps. So you got a menu button on your remote, and the menu button normally has 3 lines on it. Doesn't say menu at all. They don't want you to figure this shit out. It's a secret. So once you get there, say I wanted to move this app Cinema right here on your screen up to the top. I would just hit my menu button one time, and over here in the right hand corner, a little menu pops up, and you hit move to front, and voila, the app is now moved to the top. When you hit the home button, it's the very first app you see. That's another tip and trick, y'all. So now I'm gonna pass the mic over to my boy Jay, cool ass Jay, y'all, of DMV Computer Man Store. He's gonna give you some more tips and tricks. I'm out.
Cool ass Jay here, DMV Computer Man. Bro just left. I know he gave y'all some tips. I'm gonna get y'all with some tips that he didn't get you with. So I hope y'all all familiar with the buttons on your Fire Stick and all the shortcuts he already gave. So first thing I'm gonna show you how to do is, and it's a really simple trick. A lot of people end up coming to us and all you have to do is up here at the top, I just want you to scroll over to your set. You wanna go to your settings, right? Once you are in your settings, you're gonna scroll over. Like Prado told you, we are running on a Fire Stick TV, so ours is a little different from you. Ours says device and software, but yours will say My Fire TV. You wanna click on My Fire TV, and then you wanna go to About. Now this About section here, this will give you a lot of different information about your Fire Stick that you didn't know. It'll give you the name of your Fire Stick, the account that it's registered to, it'll give you the serial number of it. You can name it whatever you would like to name it through the Amazon Fire TV app or through the Amazon app. It'll give you how much storage space you have on here. It'll also let you know technical specs on your networks. And then this is what I really wanted to get you to. Check for update. Now a lot of people have unlocked Fire Sticks and they call us like, hey, I need to update my Fire Stick because it's acting up. And the reality be, it doesn't be the Fire Stick apps that we installed that need to update. Amazon pushes through software for your update. So go into your settings, you wanna go into the About section and check for updates. Now when you go here, it'll always tell you the last time it checked for an update, and a lot of the times it will download an update in the background. So if your Fire Stick is on, it will download an update and it'll tell you install the update. So just always go there, double check that, make sure that you have the latest software from Amazon installed on your Fire Stick. So all the tips that I'm gonna show you are all gonna be here in the settings option of the Fire Stick. So I've already showed you how to check for the updates on it. The next thing that I'm gonna show you is how to clear up space. So what a lot of people don't know is the more apps you install on here, the more space you're using up on here, which ultimately makes your Fire Stick run slower. Duh, common sense, right? So what you can always do to check the storage space if your Fire Stick is running slow, you can always slide over here in your settings tab, in the settings section, and you wanna scroll over to application. So from application, you wanna scroll down here to managed install apps. And the minute that you click on managed install apps, it'll show you how much internal space you have. So Fire Stick typically come with 4.27 gigabytes of storage space, whatever. You don't need to know all that. What you need to know is you only got 7.94 megabytes of that. So this little gray area is all you got left of free space on your Fire Stick, which will make your Fire Stick move a lot slower. So from here, If you click on this, it'll give you the list of everything installed on your Fire Stick, every app. Now what you can do is you can go through here and you can selectively figure out what you need to keep and what you need to get rid of. There's a lot of different options in it. So I'm gonna scroll down here to TV Zion because I know we don't use that app no more, and I also believe that app has gone out of service. So what I'm gonna do is click on this app, and then you'll get another screen. You'll get a permissions, you'll get a launch application option, a force stop. I'm gonna clear all the data off of this app. I'm gonna clear the cache on this app, and then I'm gonna uninstall the app. Just a quick little way that you can uninstall applications off your Fire Stick, clear up some space for your Fire Stick, get it to moving a lot more efficiently and effectively. This is Cool Ass Jay from DMV Computer Man with some nice little tips and tricks for your Fire Stick. I hope it helped out. See you next time. We out, babe.